Marine science is fundamental for the future of our planet, and as robotics researchers, we have to be aware of all the challenges.
I've seen many workshops on just marine robotics or just marine science, but it was good to both combine because there are many issues that we don't know as roboticists that we could integrate in our intervention or inspections or surveys, and as well something that they can learn from us.
I think will be to see more underwater robots performing operation in real environments.
We had a good workshop, I think, that is very diversified, and I think that many people got the impression that Xingmu can provide a good tracking system, and then people didn't know about Xingmu.
It was a pleasure to have you guys, to be sponsored and supported by such a nice company as Xingmu.